welcome you all to this 7th Global Communication Conclave of the PRCI. I welcome Mr. H.S. Brahma, the Election Commissioner of India, Mr. A.K. Goel, former Special Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and Mr. Arun Tiwari, who is the keynote speaker today. I also welcome Mr. Jairam, Mr. N.D. Rajpal, Mr. Agarwal, and Mr. Narayan on the dais. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, before I give an outline of the programs that we have for today and tomorrow, I would just take a minute to say something about our chief guest. Well, friends, I have been in the PR for the last about 5-6 years, and I have met some of the staunchest PR professionals who, to the extent of, at times, dream PRCI, read PRCI, walk PRCI, sleep PRCI, and whatnot. But let me tell you, I don't know whether it's usual or unusual, I've started bathing PRCI. Trust me, I don't know, this is very unusual. I feel a little embarrassed. But fact is, whenever I take a bath, I think of PRCI. I don't know what's the connection, but I started bathing PRCI. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, this is as far as the people who dream, walk, bathe, and whatever. But let me tell you, if somebody epitomizes public relations, somebody symbolizes public relations, is, I think, none other than our chief guest, Mr. H.S. Brahma, whom I know for the last 15-20 years. But let me tell you, wherever he has been, in whatever position that he has been, he has not forgotten me. He has been in Delhi for a long while, but whenever I have got in touch with him, he has given me the kind of, I just can't tell you, the kind of affection, love and affection that he gives me. So I think he is the one who actually epitomizes relationship, epitomizes public relationship. Because I feel to be a PR professional first, you need to be a PR man from within. You have to have that kind of affection, that kind of love for relationships. And this chief guest of ours, he does that. So thank you so much, sir, for being in our lives. You've been an inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much. Now coming on to the 2 days programs that we have. Ladies and gentlemen, after the inaugural and the keynote address by our keynote speaker, we have a session, a business session starting in the morning after the inaugural. The first session we have is Communication Trends in Government and PSUs. Mr. Chandramouli, IAS, he is the Commissioner, APARD, AP Academy of Rural Development. He will preside over the session. And we have some very eminent speakers. Mr. Love Agarwal, IAS, he is the Secretary, Youth Services and Sports, Government of Andhra Pradesh. We have Mr. Jitendra Bhargava, the former Executive Director, Corporate Communications, Air India. And we have Mr. S. Narendra, who will be covering, is lobbying a legitimate PR activity? I think a topic which needs a lot of deliberation. And after a gastronomical delight in the afternoon, from 1:30 to 2:30, we have another business session. It is transparency and in financial communication. Mr. M. Somshekhar, he is the Chief of Bureau, Business Line. He is the moderator. And we have very, very eminent speakers, Mr. J.J. Bhatt from Bombay, Mr. Sudeep Bandyopadhyay from Mumbai, and moderator, of course, is Mrs. Somshekhar. In the session 3, we have the PRCA Hall of Fame recognition, wherein we will be recognizing the efforts of some of the PR professionals. And the chief guest for that evening is Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy, the Honorable Minister for Housing, Government of Andhra Pradesh. And the guest of honor is Professor Sunaina Singh. She is the Vice Chancellor of English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. Of course, in the evening, we have cultural program and dinner. Thereafter, on 23rd, that is tomorrow, we have a business session from 10 to 11:30. We start with experiential communication and effective PR tool. That's another very, very important communication tool that we are going to discuss upon, deliberate upon. Professor B. Sunil from Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, Bangalore. He is going to speak on that. Then we have the role of public relations versus advertising in brand promotion. Mr. Vijay Gopal from Chennai is going to talk on this subject. He is the President South, R.K. Swami, BBDO. And then we have Can PR Help in Brand Building? Ms. Reema Kundnani. She is from Mumbai. She is going to talk on that. After tea break in the afternoon, we have another session that is PR education and training needs. It's going to be a group discussion. And the father of PR, Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy, he is going to moderate the session. And we have speakers like Mr. Matthew Hibbert, Mr. B.N. Kumar, Professor Vishweshwar Rao, and Professor Sanjay from Geetam University. Again, after a lunch session in the afternoon, we have another session from 2:30 to 3:30 tomorrow. This is Changing Landscape for PR in India. Mr. Ravi Shankar from Bangalore is going to talk on this subject. And then we have digital communication for PR, online media. Mr. Amit Tripathi will be talking in this, discussing on this. He is also from Mumbai. And then we have the valedictory session in the evening from 4 to 6 p.m. And the chief guest for that evening, tomorrow's evening, is Mr. G.S. Chauhan. He is IPS, Director Prohibition and Excise, Government of Andhra Pradesh. And the guest of honor is Mr. C.V. Prakash. He is the Chairman and Managing Director, Creditim, Singapore. And thereafter, this will be followed by the presentation of the Corporate Collateral Awards. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very packed schedule for the next 2 days. So, kindly be prepared, deliberate, interact, let the speakers feel that yes, the audience is very interactive. So, let's have beautiful sessions, and then we'll see what tomorrow evening what we have in store for you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.